Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves to play with your hair and create stunning styles, you're probably familiar with the importance of a reliable styling tool. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hot Tools Pro Artist Nano Ceramic Curling Iron / Wand, a tool that's designed to help you achieve sleek, shiny, and frizz-free hair with ease. This versatile styling tool offers a lot of flexibility. It features nano-ceramic technology, which helps reduce frizz while providing that glossy shine we all crave. The 1.5-inch barrel gives you enough surface area to work with for both tight curls and soft waves. Whether you're using it as a traditional curling iron or wrapping your hair around the barrel to use it as a wand, it adapts to your styling preferences seamlessly. The design is especially handy for people with different hair types. With a high heat range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's powerful enough for fine to coarse hair, making it a great option for those who struggle with heat settings that don't quite work for their texture. But it doesn't just stop at performance. It's also easy to handle, with a tangle-free swivel cord and an 8-foot reach, offering you freedom and flexibility while styling. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I've had the chance to test this curling iron in various scenarios, and here's what I can share. The nano-ceramic coating really does make a difference when it comes to frizz control and smoothness. The hair glides effortlessly along the barrel without getting stuck, which is a major plus for anyone who has experienced those frustrating moments with other irons. In terms of practicality, it works just as well whether I use it to create loose beachy waves or more defined curls. The temperature settings make it easy to adjust based on hair type and desired curl intensity. It gets hot quickly, which is great for efficiency, but that also means you need to be careful. If you're not used to working with high heat, take your time and make sure you're in control. Let's go over some pros and cons. Pros: nano-ceramic technology is excellent for frizz control and adding shine. The swivel cord makes it easy to move around without tangling. Works well for all hair types, from fine to coarse. The ability to use it as both a curling iron and a wand adds versatility. Fold-away safety stand is a nice touch for easy storage. Cons: with a high heat range, it may not be ideal for beginners who aren't used to working with such heat. While it's great for most hair types, those with extremely coarse or curly hair may need to take more time or use the highest setting for best results. When it comes to value for money, this tool is priced higher than some standard curling irons, but it's justified. You're getting a professional-grade tool that's been a favorite among stylists since 1990. It's not just about how well it curls, it's about the longevity and the quality you're getting. It's a solid investment for anyone who regularly styles their hair or wants a tool that will last. Comparing it to similar tools on the market, the Hot Tools Pro Artist Nano Ceramic Curling Iron Wand holds its own in terms of performance. While there are other ceramic irons that promise similar results, the extra features like the swivel cord and fold-away stand give this one a slight edge in usability. In terms of build quality, it feels sturdy and well-made, with a durable feel to the body and a good grip. The barrel heats evenly, and I found it consistently produces smooth, shiny results without causing any damage to my hair. It also helps that it's easy to store when not in use, thanks to the fold-away stand. As for customer support, Hot Tools has a great reputation for handling any issues, and they stand behind their products. I haven't had to contact them personally, but given their history with professional stylists, I trust their customer service would be helpful if any issues arose. I should also mention that if you're looking for an alternative, there are some budget-friendly curling irons on the market, like those from Conair or Revlon, which can give you similar results for a lower price. However, Hot Tools offers a level of professional quality that sets it apart, especially if you're looking for something that will last. So, what's the final verdict? The Hot Tools Pro Artist Nano Ceramic Curling Iron / Wand is a high-performance, versatile styling tool that delivers on its promises. It's ideal for anyone who wants sleek, shiny curls or waves, regardless of hair type. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the quality and results make it a worthwhile investment for those who are serious about their styling tools. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to add this curling iron to your collection, the link to purchase is in the description box below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.